Good afternoon, children. Now we are going to start our next content. This is the women's and the French Revolution. Okay, so in this lecture we will study about the women's condition in French Revolution. Okay, so women's condition before the French Revolution and women's condition after the French Revolution. Okay, so women's were active participants in the events which brought about so many changes in the French society. They participated in the revolutions, hoping for a change in their lifestyle. Okay, so women conditions before the French Revolution. What was the condition of women before the French Revolution? Okay, so most of the third states had to work for a living. Most of the women belonged from third states. These women had to work for a living. Okay, so these women work as a seamstresses or laundresses, sold flowers, fruits, and vegetables at the market, or were employed as a domestic servant also in houses of the prosperous families, prosperous people. Okay, so most women did not have an access to education. They were not more educated. Most of the women were not educated and they have not got any kind of job training. So only daughters of the nobles and wealthiest members of the third states could study at a convent school, after which their families arrange a marriage for them. So working women also took care of their families like cooking, fetching water, okay, and look after the children. These kind of work women were doing, and their wages were also very lower compared to men. They were getting very lower wages, and in order to discuss at why is their interest, women started their own political clubs and newspapers. About 60 women's club came up in different French cities. The Society of Revolutionaries and Republican Women was the most famous of them. Now, the condition of women after the French Revolution. So, after the French Revolution, condition of women was very bad. Women were disappointed that the Constitution of 1791, which was made, women were not satisfied with this Constitution because in this Constitution they did not get any kind of right to give the vote, and these in this condition, women were very disappointed that the constitutions of 1791, because this constitution reduced them to passive citizens, because in passive citizens it means the people, those who have not get the right to give the vote. In last lecture we have studied. Okay, so these women were demanded the right to vote. It means these women want to get the right. These were their demand, and to be elected to the assembly and to hold political office. They want. This is their demand. And in the early years, the revolutionary government did not introduce law, right? So these in this it means a constitution. Women have not get the right. It means they have not introduced any kind of law which help to improve the lives of women. So together with the creation of state schools, schooling was made of compulsory for all girls, and marriage was made into a contract entered into freely and registered in the civil law. So after that, some kind of changes have brought in women's condition. Women's struggle for equal political rights, however, continued. During the reign of terror, the new government issued some kind of law which were favoring the women's, ordering closures of women's clubs and banning their political activities. Many prominent women were arrested and a number of them executed. It was finally in 1946 the women in France won the right to vote. Okay, the last we will study about the abolitions of slavery. So, abolition of slavery in French colonies was in 1848. In 1848, one of the most revolutionary social reform of the Jacobin regime was the abolition of slavery in the French colonies, though it was reintroduced by Napoleon. Okay, thank you.